Hi, yeah, I'm receiving another radiosonde in the middle of the night. It's an RS41 radiosonde from a weather balloon, and I'm receiving it with my AOR 8600 DX, which is a Boga version. The frequency is 404.1 megahertz FM, and as you can see, I'm not receiving it at the moment, but I received it a couple of minutes ago, and you can see here it's about 80 kilometers away, and you can also see it on radiosonde. It's that one. 404.1 from the northern coast of, or from the coast of northern Germany, and I'm located near Hanover, and so there it is, and it has a height of 6,480 meters. It's going down, minus 4.9 meters per second, minus 5 meters per second, speed 44 kilometers an hour. There is a thing about the AOR 8600. You can only decode the raw signal from this receiver, and it's on the back of the receiver, and I made a video how to make a discriminator cable yourself. This is the discriminator cable from the AOR, and it is, well, it's a little bit too dark, but it's somewhere there. But you can make it yourself. I made it myself, and it works perfectly. And this is what to connect. I think it's only two. This video is, I will make a link to the video into the video description. You might want to let it be translated. It's in German.
Das sieht dann also so aus, man braucht die Nummer 8.
Number 8.
Das ist
Ground.
Die Erde, und dann braucht man noch die Nummer 2.
And number 2.
Das ist
Detector output. So only two things to connect. Make sound lower, and that's it, and then you're done. Then you can connect your AOR to your computer and decode the signal. For example, with RS41 tracker, it's a free program. You will find the link in the video description as well. At the moment I can hear the signal, but it's not decoding anymore. Anyway, that's all for the moment. Thanks for watching. Have a good time and see you again.